One.
Man, you lied on Cold Pepper TV, man. You guys need to wake your goat mouth ass up.
Yeah, baby. Tell them that. Tell Bennett that. Yeah.
5 and 4-5. Believe that, baby.
Yeah. Come on, holla at him, Earl.
Yeah, Earl.
See, man, these OGs I recognize in the game right here on Union the 23rd, baby. Come on, holla at us.
I hope it's an 05 Pippin.
Tell him.
09.
Tell him. Yeah, Bill.
05, 45, brothers.
Yeah, we did that, man. We do that. Oh, shit. Who is that? What's up with you, baby?
One and only Cavalli Cash, man. Cash family. Fly World ENT, man. All about that money, man.
All about that money. Hey, and these niggas hustle. Him and Gaddafi, they be out there hustling, man. They made me want to go get it. You feel me? They made me want to get back in the studio and start hand to hand, baby, hand to hand.
I was out in New York. Man, for a few years, right? My nigga pops up out there. Do his thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Tell business. I told you I'm international. I'm going to take y'all with me, baby.
Yes, sir. He was at Harlem?
Yes, I was in Harlem. I was in Harlem. Slid all the way to the BX, you know what I'm saying? Slid all the way to the BX to get with y'all. For sure. We live. We live, baby. We live. Come down here, man. Come down here and get your shit trimmed in, man. You got to get groomed in. It's the town, baby. What the fuck is wrong with you? Cold Pepper TV, signing off.